happy to have everybody here to celebrate Tanya's finally 50th birthday. Cheers with Mia's.
Deborah, mask up? No. COVID lives everywhere. Oh, we got another stamp.
Hey. These are my sunglasses today.
Oh, yeah.
I'm being cool, and this is who I'm with.
Look at this view.
This would be fun. So this is going to be a 10 out of 10. Diaz? Oh yeah, sorry.
We're in Mexico.
That's right.
Are y'all matching?
Hey, come on, baby. Yeah.
Danielle's getting all the content.
She made me change into our matching bathing suits. Cute.
Yeah.
Hold me.
Yeah.
You real happy? Come on, Dad.
Yeah! You want another one? I got it. Oh, God.
Are you okay?
No. Your hair's growing? Yeah, his hair's growing back. Yeah. I'm gonna grow back. I'm gonna look like Elvis.
Lime soup by the pool.
Yeah, but what is it? It's so good. Yeah, you know how much water it is? Take my coconut soup here in a second.
Hello, Mom.
Shine your ever-loving light on me.
Come on, Big Mike.
We saw a supple.
I'm Sancito Topo Chico. Arriba.
Love the Gerber daisies. I do. They're fabulous.
You know, I like to sit here and admire the art.
This is the beautiful house we're staying at.
Have a good picture. Let's go.
Let's get in the car. I'm so excited for dinner. Casa dinners.
We made it to the casa.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No, yours didn't touch.
Hey, Mike, we didn't touch.
Thank you. Two. Gracias, gracias. ¿Cuántos? Oh, that good? Oh, yeah.
No sugar.
No sugar.
Good morning, Mexico. It's 7 a.m. Jacob woke up early because he's excited we're going on a boat.
We're gonna go.
And we
we're
get
gonna go
to
see the fish.
Wake up out of your sleep. Yeah.
My lips are chopped.
Big 33s.
Boat's pulling right up to the house. Come on, Big Mama.
Yeah!
All right.
Oh yeah,
Like a rock star.
is this where you do the dirty?
I'm the captain, Mom. We're rinsing off for the massage. Oh. You getting a massage?
I guess.
Yes.
It was amazing.
Did you fall asleep?
Yes.
I am about ready to get massage.
How was your couples massage with Big Mike?
Oh, let me tell you.
That's just lips came down.
That lady put in some fucking pressure. That pressure.
That's Yeah, he knows something weird's going on now.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And you? You feeding the fish?
Yeah.
Hello, Mom.
Hello. How are you?
Is that a model?
Oh, yeah.
Last minute decorating?
Oh, it's a video? Ah, this is so great. Here we are in Cozumel, Mexico. Gracias, gracias, gracias.
Thank God for Anheuser-Busch. Oh!
They're laughing because I asked for a drink and I told them to make it muy fuerte.
He does not need to be talked to my lady in such a manner.
We're gonna cheers our soup?
Cheers. That's the way that works.
James, we didn't cheers.
We didn't cheers.
Are you gonna pretend to blow out the candle?
There's no candle.
Happy birthday to you.
That's a real cute. Don't eat it all, Danielle. On a scale of 1 to mojito.
You've got nothing on a mojito. See, it's hard not to get it on your mouth. You have it on your nose. There's a big crack.
And I was stuck in the crack.
Good morning. I am ready for yoga class. And then a COVID test. Is everyone ready for yoga?
I'm ready.
I'm most excited about my COVID test. I cannot wait.
This is how we fuel up for yoga class. Ah, yes.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Oh my god! Ah! You look like you like that. Oh yeah. I'm ready. Are you ready, Don?
I did the rectum one. It's a lot easier.
And you studied, right?
Oh, absolutely.
You ready, A?
Yes, I'm ready. You're not going to take a picture of video of me.
He likes it.
How long we gonna be in there, brother?
Have you had it before?
Never.
Oh, it was wonderful. I lost my virginity.
Oh, yeah.
Are y'all actually doing it?
Yeah, and we got Jacob to do it too.
The main purpose of yoga is to try and practice to be here in this moment, and that's basically what it's about. And grab opposite elbow with opposite hand. Your feet.
That's good, Dad. It's down.
It's down.
Well, the meditation part was the best at the end.
What about when you look over and we're all on our sides in fetal position? I go, what are they thinking?
So let's all raise our glasses and say, salute to the
Cheers. All right, everybody.
You got it. I think I got it.
That's your dance? Oh, weird fucking dance.
We're here for the mojitos.
Get excited.
Okay.
Get excited. Feel from here. Hey.
Hello. Daniela, I got good content.
Elsie was good, but not.
Elsie's good, but Elsie doesn't do that right there.
Amazing mojito.
These mojitos are great, except this is a Cuba Libre.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. But no one can beat Miami Beach 25-7. All right? All right. Are you saying
They're the best in
Why
the
did you say we're in Miami
world.
Beach?
Dad, don't say bad words.
I didn't mean to say bad words.
Our daughter's getting married. You cannot say bad words.
Are you getting married?
Hey.
No, that's cool.
You are getting roofied.
$90,000.
And my fiance! Woo!
Now be careful in the front because y'all could. Wait, y'all are going too fast. Deb, can you swim? Oh my God.
I
Deb,
never took a nap because this seemed more fun. I literally slipped and look at my knee.
oh my God.
But I looked like it hurt.
Did you see that?
But she didn't feel.
You did?
I tested negative.
Oh, you did.
Me and this have to go home.
Oh, you're all fancy now.
Did y'all test negative? Because unfortunately I did.
I haven't yet. Unfortunately, I did too. I'm still hoping.
Coco?
I test negative for COVID.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you. All right.
Make a big wish. Oh, bravo!
Good morning, fiance.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to reply?
Yeah.
Got it this time.
Is it good?
Oh, it's really good. Bye, Mexico. See you soon. Here we are at the old airport. Gracias. Rate your 50th Fiesta from 1 to 10.
Oh, 25.
Oh,
Here's to the newly engaged. Happy birthday and the anniversary. Yeah.
Mittens! I'm home. You want to see my ring? We missed you.
We made it. We're not dead.
I think we're gonna see what happens, baby.
It feels like
See
we're
you
in
next
heaven.
time.